Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily convert any book or document from MOBI or MOBI format to a PDF format. To begin, just open your browser and type Calibre and hit enter. We will download this software called Calibre eBook Management. Click download, choose the version which you need and click on it, and the download will automatically begin for you. If it doesn't start, just click on download Calibre 64 and it will start. Once the download has been done, you can always go ahead, install the software as any other software, and open the software after the installation. Next step, open where your document has been or are saved, select the MOBI document and click to drop drag inside Calibre. As a next step, you want to right click and select Convert Books, Convert Individually. Here in the output format, click on it and select PDF. You can change the title, the author if needed, and click OK. Click on the jobs in the right, in the bottom, and wait until the job is completed. Once done, you can go ahead and close this. And here, right-click on your book and select Save to Disk. Save to disk in a single folder. And choose the folder and click Select Folder. The saving will automatically begin and you should see the book being added. Let's choose another folder. As you can see, the folder here has been added. And once I click the testing book, here I have the PDF ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.